Hello my Sagittarians, let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of October 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it, to hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, that is 20, and then from the 21st to the 31st. Shall we begin? Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days for my darlings. Let's see what can we have for you. Let's take this one. It was going haywire. Okay, so we begin with politics. Why? We have completion, we have existence and guilt. So now we get to know why politics, because you have a tendency to overthink. You are my fire signs, right? You're like an archer. You think, rather you don't think before you speak. So I think there's a lot of blame game that's getting into your head, or it's your monkey mind that is trying to create unnecessary jigsaw puzzle in your head space. Okay, so understand it's your own confusion. If you see, we have the eyes shut, and again the eyes, it's like not showing the true color. So avoid manipulation, avoid getting into addiction, avoid gambling, do not listen to anybody, listen to yourself. Avoid getting stuck. Okay, remember, a chapter will close for a new chapter to begin, and remember, you're the master of your life, darling. You know what it is. Okay, so give a pat on your back as to how far you've reached, and if you want to grow, you want to go up for your dreams to turn into reality, you need to let go of all these unwanted thoughts, because remember, the flowers are like new beginnings. So yes, there are new beginnings coming up, but whenever you feel you're confused, just do a normal breathing. Okay, breathe in, breathe out for like 3-4 times, and then ask yourself, what is it that you want? Probably that is exactly what is required for you. Okay, that will be the answer to your question. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th, that is 20. Let's see. Okay, we've got them. So we begin with beyond delusion, innocence, heartbreak and projections. Okay, so an emotional rush is going because of the initial phase. Heartbreak, there is somebody that is mirroring you. Okay, there is somebody that you have immense attraction, but you are not getting clarity. You still feel that, okay, this is someone I want to have, but understand you cannot have that person, because the person either could be committed, or it's just like, you know, a fantasy or like an imaginative thing. It's like, you know, ifs, buts, that's how it is going. Understand reality is beautiful. Whatever you want, you can achieve. You have somebody in your space who will give you the correct guidance. This person could be, even though we see a senior masculine energy, but it could also be a feminine energy who could give you the correct guidance. Now, beyond illusion, imbalance within yourself, this is exactly how the opposite person is mirroring. So remember, if at any given point you feel low or you feel unwanted, cry your heart out. Probably it's just, you know, how you feel like an outsider could be of that emotional rush. Okay, now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. Ideally, the second week is good, darling, so you don't have to worry. I think it's just the reality might hit for a lot many. Maybe that is what the energies are trying to say. Okay, so, and remember, it's a temporary phase, as I always say. Now let's come to the last 10 days. We begin with turning in, inner voice, schizophrenia, and the source. Okay, so whatever you want, your gut feeling is telling you. Okay, so that's how your inner through prayers, meditation, chanting mantras is where you will gain more clarity. Always follow your gut feeling. New beginnings are starting up, which is good, but I think you're confused. We have two twos, okay, which is trying to say you need to find the balance. Whatever you want to start, because this is the ace, yes, intimacy could be around, but gear up, because financially a new opportunity is coming up. 4. Turning in. Let go of your past. Rather than listening to all your well-wishers, which is good, universe is trying to say, attune to your higher self. That's where you will gain clarity. And remember, only you can help yourself, my love. Okay, so focus on your work. Now let's come to what the angels have to guide you. Daydream. So your code word should be manifestation. Whatever you want to manifest, you can. Okay, so whatever you want to let go is the first thumb rule that you need to release. Okay, and have faith, whatsoever it is, even if it's a frivolous thing. Ideally, work on that and start visualizing. First, you have to thank, and then visualize that yes, this thing has turned into reality. I'm extremely happy, so on and so forth. Okay, so that will help you. Now your love life, let's see what are they trying to tell you. We have Paradise and Ascending. Oh, beautiful. So your love life is gonna be really rocking. Prepare for a union. Your love life is coming up. Whatever obstacles initially were there, they are gonna get over. Be a little playful, enjoy each other's company. Happiness is embracing. So beautiful. So you definitely have a good love read coming up. Okay, so I think it's on emotional quotient that you should be working up. Now let's ask universe, anything specific coming up for you in this month. We have child. Okay, so this seems to be interesting. You need to work on your inner child. A child will bring in happiness. Also, spending time with children also will make you feel good. A little bit of charity towards them should do well. And I think there's happiness. Okay, so I think you miss being happy, and this is exactly what it's trying to say, that start being happy. So how should I sum up this month? Okay, this is tricky now. Follow your inner voice. Follow the guidance of your inner voice. This is how I should say. Why? Because your inner gut feeling, because it's on individual. Okay, this is a generic reading, but individually you will get to know what your inner voice is trying to tell you. Whatever pain you're holding on to, darling, you have to let go. Whatever confusion you have, your inner voice will tell you exactly which one to choose. Okay, and you have that thing in you. So don't ever doubt yourself. Your visualizing technique is something that your angels are going to help you with. That will bring in into reality. Your love life is ascending. So yes, good things are coming up, and passion is scoring. Your inner child needs to be taken care of. So I think there is something related to your inner child you need to focus on, and everything will bring in happiness. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Apologies for everything that's flying around. Have a great month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.